In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up webhooks on Shopify to automate your store's workflow. Webhooks let Shopify automatically send data to another app whenever something happens in your store, like a new order or an inventory change. This is perfect for keeping your systems in sync without manual work. All you need is access to your Shopify admin and a destination URL that can receive web requests, ideally over HTTPS. Start by going to Shopify and signing into your admin. Once you're in, head down to the bottom left corner and open Settings. This is where most store-level configuration lives, and it's the hub for notification and automation features. Inside Settings, select Notifications. This area controls emails, SMS, and, for our purposes, developer-friendly automations. Scroll until you see the webhook section, which centralizes everything related to outbound event messages from your store. Click Create Webhook to start a new one. You'll first pick the event you want to listen for. Shopify offers many options. Common choices include order creation, fulfillment events, and product updates. Choose the specific event that aligns with the workflow you want to automate. If you're just getting started, selecting an order-related event is a great way to see immediate results. Next, choose the format. JSON is generally the best option because most services and custom endpoints expect JSON and it's easier to parse. XML is available if your receiving system requires it, but JSON keeps things simpler and more compatible with modern tools. Now enter the destination URL. This is the endpoint that will receive the webhook. Make sure it's a secure, publicly accessible HTTPS address and that it's ready to accept post requests. If you're using an automation platform, paste the webhook URL it provides. If you built your own endpoint, confirm it returns a 200 status when it successfully processes the payload. Select the webhook API version. Picking the latest stable version is usually the safest choice because it includes the newest fields and behaviors while remaining predictable. Versioning helps you avoid surprises if Shopify introduces changes in the future. Finally, click Save. Your webhook is now active and will trigger whenever the event you selected occurs. As a best practice, ensure your receiving system verifies the message signature Shopify sends with each request and logs incoming payloads for troubleshooting. Also, keep your endpoint fast and reliable. Shopify expects a timely 200 response and may retry if it doesn't get one. That's it. You've set up a Shopify webhook that can power automation across your tools and services, reducing manual tasks and improving accuracy in your workflows.